Hello guys, good morning and happy Friday. So today I'm gonna make a letche flan, a smooth, creamy letche flan. So for this, we'll be needing 10 eggs. Okay, so I'm only gonna use the egg yolk, but you can also use the whole egg, but for my preference I just want to use the egg yolk. And the white yolk you don't have to throw, you can also recycle that, make something, another dish, or you can make that with, if you are baking cake, that definitely you can use it as an icing. But for me, I'm gonna use it, the egg white, for, you can mix it like, you can make it like an omelette, or if you're making a fried rice, you can also mix that with a fried rice, or you can make it like sandwich bread. So that's so many things you can use in the egg white. Don't throw it. Again guys, don't throw it. So now after this, we're gonna use also vanilla essence. I have vanilla extract. If you have, they are work the same. And then we're gonna use evaporated milk. Okay, any brand will do, but this one I've got. I don't have Nestle. And then condensed milk. This is not also Philippine brand. This is also Dubai. So this is what I have. Some people using one kind of condensed milk, but condensed milk is very sweet. On the top of this, we also use caramelized sugar. So I don't use the entire can. So it's just individual preferences. So I don't want too much sweets in my letche flan. So now let's get started. So now we have to crack this one. Okay, so now it's all done. Gently use our beater. It's done. Don't have to whisk it so hard, guys, so it doesn't leaves bubble. Okay, we want a smooth letche flan. So after this, we have to pour our evaporated milk in. So now again, we have to stir it. We have to mix properly, gently. For condensed milk, I'm just gonna put like 4 spoons. Heap 4 tablespoons. Three, 4. I think that's enough. And then we mix it again. And then we put our vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon. Okay. And then we mix it. You know what I do to check if the sugar or the sweetness is enough? It's okay. What I do, I just have to put my finger inside, okay, just one inside, and just have a taste. I'm sure everybody does this. Be honest, everybody does this. So actually it's not enough. It's just I don't feel any sweetness, so I have to add more condensed milk. So I have to add it like 2 more condensed milk, and let's see if it's okay. It's okay, guys. My hands are clean before I do this preparation. You have to mix it. Now we have to taste again. Doing. Now that's enough. So meaning, for this recipe, we will be require only 6 heaped tablespoon of condensed milk, because again we're gonna caramelize the sugar, so that will be add on more sweetness to our letche flan. So now next steps to this is we have to use a strainer. So this is also to help our letche flan creamier and smooth. So we have to use strainer. You can do like twice, 3 times, or 4 times. It's up to you. So as you can see, it's very smooth. So now we have to do our sugar. We have to caramelize our sugar. And then for the sugar, we need 2 tablespoons of sugar. And here, actually guys, I don't have a lanera, so this is also aluminium, so I'm using this. This is what I have. So this also works fine. There's no problem with this. Whichever available you have. So now I have here 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now we have to caramelize this. When I'm doing my caramelized sugar, I don't add water. So just like this. It will melt itself. So now, this is okay for me. As you can see, all caramelized. The sugar is all caramelized. So now we have to set aside this until it's cooled down before we put our letche flan mixture. So it's another like 5 minutes. They just give 5 to 10 minutes until it gets cooled down. Now this one already cooled down. Now we can put our mixture inside. We pour it in. So as you can see, I have pour everything here inside, so it's just quite a little thick and needs a little longer to cook. So on this, we have to cover with aluminum foil. So the steam, when you steam, so the water doesn't go directly to our mixture. So let's cover this. And I don't know what time or how many minutes we'll be needing to cook my letche flan, because it's just kind of thick. So what I'll do, I just keep checking in between. So first now, I'm gonna steam this for 10 minutes or even 15 minutes. Then after, later on, I'll check if it's cooked or not by using the toothpick or even a knife. Something like this you can use. Okay, you stick it inside. And then once it's come out clean, that means it's cooked. But it's sticky here, then that means it needs more cooking. So I have here a steamer. So now it's already boiling. So we have to put our mixture inside, and we have to be careful. So we don't want to burn our hand. I don't have those one for proper thing for the hand. I don't have it. So I'm using only this normal towel. Okay, you just steam it like 15 minutes and check later if it's cooked or not. So now let's check our letche flan. smells good.
Yeah, smells good. I don't that smell.
So we have, this is only very thin, so I could use this. So it will go on the bottom. If you are using toothpick, it doesn't go in the bottom. This one is good enough. See, as you can see, all clean. So that means I've been cooking this enough for 45 minutes. So now it's cooked. I have to cool down this before we'll put in the fridge. Transfer in a plate and put in the fridge. Then we can serve later when it's cooled. Now guys, my letche flan, it's already cooled down. Now we have to transfer this to the plate. This is the moment. So we'll find out if I did the right thing. We have to use a knife just to do like this in the corner. So now this is okay. Now we have to put our plate like this. Okay. And then slowly we have to do like that. You have to be quick. Okay, sorry, excuse me for my dirt pan. Okay, now let's see. Oh no. Let's see. It's a messy, sorry. Can you see that? Oh, I got it perfect. Ta-na-na-na. Uh-huh. So here you are, my letche flan. Ooh, so yummy. Can you see that? Can you see my letche flan? Now we have to taste if it's okay or no. You just cut here so you could see. Wow, very nice. Just a little bit. Can you see it, guys? See, you can see it's smooth and creamy. Very nice. Sorry guys. See, it's very creamy and smooth, and the sweet, it's just really perfect the way I want it. I love it. See how soft it is? I saw it's not soft, creamy. Okay? So creamy. I like it. So, I hope you enjoy my letche flan making today. So, I'll see you next time. Bye.
Please like and subscribe.